So guys, for us to wrap, I have these Oreos that I'm going to use as giveaway for the party. So we're going to wrap these. I have 10 of that, and we're going to need an 8x8 sheet of paper. So let me tell you how we start it. So we're going to wrap it with this paper. I've already pre-cut these. There's two colors, and I used the pinks and corals from Craftsmith. This is to supplement my papers from Echo Park. But let me show you. It's super simple. I'm just gonna wrap it with tape. I know the paper is a little bit thicker than normal, but this is what I have, and so I'll just use what I have. So I'm just gonna tape it like this, and then I'm gonna glue gun it shut and then sew the sides. So let me glue gun it and show you. So I just put a strip and then close it up. There. And then sew on the side. And then we'll decorate it together. Here's what I have sewn on the side. And then I'll come back when I've sewn all of the 10 pieces, and then we'll decorate it together. Alright, so now that we have all these are all stitched. This is actually my favorite. Now it's all stitched, and then I just put a sheet of the printed paper. We're going to do the fun part, which is the decorating part. So let's decorate. Okay, so now that we're done decorating, I want to show you the details of all of the bars that we've decorated, the Oreo bars. And this is going to be part of the table. So the first one, I think this is one of my favorites. As you can see, it's super layered. It's all the, I just layered the stuff that I fussy cut. And then the rosette down there. It's very dimensional, as you can see, and lots of texture with the addition of the sewing, the stitching on the side. And I think this is super adorable if you put it on the table. Wouldn't that be nice? Like, you wouldn't want to open this. I think this is a present in itself. And it all matches with the collection. And these videos are going to be part of my No Paper Left Behind for February, like what I said in my previous video. So I hope this inspires you. And guys, also don't forget to follow the ladies down below. I've put their links down there, so please support them in their endeavor to do their No Paper Left Behind challenge as well. Super cute, just a simple die cut and a fussy cut flower, and it just pops off the page. Super cute. Then the next one is quite a simple one. It's just a stitched circle with another flower and a small sentiment right there. It says, planting a seed is believing in tomorrow. Very cute. Wouldn't you want to get this? Wouldn't you want to get this if you were at a party? Here's another very simple one. Just a couple layers, but still beautiful. I love these farmhouse. I love this collection so much. Very simple one. Choose simplicity. Very cute. I need to adjust my sewing machine. I just don't know how, because it's not sewing very well. Here's another extremely layered one. Look. Rosette, and then the die cut is popped up with another foam and a sentiment. Very cute. I just made 10 of these because there's going to be a lot more on the table. Guys, I hope this inspires you to use your paper stash. Like the ladies in the No Paper Left Behind, that's what we want to do, is to inspire you to use your paper stash. Super cute. So simple. This is inspired by the Maggie Homes, like their embellishment. So I got a heart punch from Amazon and just cut that manually, and then that's it. Super easy and simple. You just invest in a couple of dies and punches, and you're good to go. The paper collection will guide you. Super cute, super simple, very elegant. And this is the last one, guys. Layers. And this is just the barcode. It's very textured. Anyway, guys, I hope that inspires you to use your scrap stash, to use your paper collection. I hope you join me in this series when I'm trying to prepare for my best friend's baby shower. And don't forget, links down below for the ladies that are joining in the No Paper Left Behind challenge. Take care, guys. Bye.